Hi, and welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn about modules and packages. A module is a pre-written code containing definitions of variables, functions, and classes. Its charm lies in the fact it can be loaded in all new programs. And we need not rewrite the code manually at the beginning of a new program. A package is a collection or directory of related Python modules. Technically, you could create your own modules and packages, but things are easier than that. People in the programming community have developed a growing set of packages that are readily available for download and have been tailored for various types of professions and specializations. Sometimes, people use the term library when referring to a package, so please know that the two can be used interchangeably. In our next lesson, we'll learn how we can work with modules and library tools. Thanks for watching.